Here we are in the Millennium Point here in Birmingham. Think tank here. Science Museum. All the ancient historical artifacts here. Some are very rare now. Old history to be learned here. In the centre of Birmingham, a lot of these items were produced here. City of Birmingham steam engine here. Spitfire. Various exhibits here. In the centre of Birmingham here. Home of manufacturing here for a good few centuries. Many here produced here, of course. Trams, boilers, bicycles, motorbikes, cars, you name it. Also a lot of parts still made here. And also items. Jaguar, no, not that far from here. Interesting museum. Think tank in central Birmingham.